Hello students, hope you're all doing good out there. In the previous class we discussed about various numericals based on complex numbers. Today we shall discuss some more numericals. Let us see. First one, z is equal to 3 minus 5i. If z is equal to 3 minus 5i, then prove that z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 is equal to 0. This is what we need to prove. Prove that z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136 is equal to 0. Now, given z is equal to 3 minus 5i. What is z cube? 3 minus 5i whole cube. So that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is what you have. So this is nothing but 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 5. 135. 135i plus here you have 25 into 9 which is 225. I square is minus 1 minus 5 cube is 125 into I cube is minus I. So you have plus I here, right? So this is nothing but 27 minus 135i plus 125i minus 225, which is minus 198. 125 minus 135 minus 10i. Now z square. What is z square equal to? 3 minus 5i whole square, that is 3 square plus 5i square minus 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30i. So this is nothing but 9 minus I square is minus 1, 9 minus 25 minus 30i. 9 minus 25 is minus 16 minus 30i. Minus 10z square is equal to 160 plus 300i. This is what is minus 10z square. You found z cube, you found minus 10z square, and let us see what is 58z. 58z is equal to 58 into 3 minus 5i. 58 into 3, 174 minus 58 into 5. 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 29, 290 minus 290i. Consider z cube minus 10z square plus 58z minus 136, that is equal to, what is z cube that you got? Minus 198 minus 10i. Next 10z square is plus 160 plus 300i plus 174 minus 290i minus 136. This is what you have. Minus 198 minus 10i minus 290i minus 300i plus 300i plus 160 plus 174 minus 136, that is 174 minus 136 is 38, right? You have minus 198 plus 300 minus 300i plus 300i gets cancelled, minus 198 plus 198, both if you cancel you get 0. So that is what is the answer. Let us discuss. I'll give one problem for homework of the similar kind. Second one, if z is equal to 2 minus I root 7, show that 3z cube minus 4z square plus z plus 88 is equal to 0. This is what you need to show. Right. This is similar to the previous problem. So I want you to take it as homework. Let us discuss the next problem. Write a plus ib by a minus ib whole square minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square in the form of x plus iy. Let us discuss the solution. Given a plus ib by a minus ib whole square, you can write consider here. Consider a plus ib whole square by a minus ib minus a minus ib by a plus ib whole square. This is like a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So you can write it as a plus ib by a minus ib a plus b a minus ib by a plus ib into a plus ib by a minus ib minus a minus ib by a plus ib. This is what you have. Now take the LCM. A plus ib whole square plus a minus ib whole square by a square plus b square. Now into a plus ib whole square minus a minus ib whole square by a square plus b square. This is what you have. Now a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is nothing but 2. Okay, let us open this. A plus ib whole square, a square minus b square plus 2aib plus a square minus b square minus 2aib by a square plus b square. This is a square minus b square plus 2aib minus a square plus b square plus 2aib by a square plus b square. Here plus 2aib minus 2aib gets cancelled. Here plus a square minus a square plus b square minus b square gets cancelled. So what you have here is 2 into a square minus b square to 4aib by a square plus b square whole square. So that is nothing but 8aib into a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square. This can be written as 0 plus I into 8ab into a square minus b square by a square plus b square whole square. So this is in the form of x plus iy. So that's all for today's class, children.